Hey, what's this?
Looks like a snow burrow. The kind of missing hair would hide in. Hello? Anyone home? More bark.
I think someone's in there. Could it be?
Boom!
Snowball!
I got you guys good.
Snowball, we don't have time for games. This is a serious investigation.
And how'd you get here? We saw you go the other way.
I told you, I'm good at blending in. You didn't see me sneak back here. This is my snack shack.
Hold up. Snowball, you're sure that there are no other hairs around here?
Well, there were more of us here earlier. Wonder where they all went. Now it's just me and that... Wolf! Gotta go.
What in the woolly... After that hair!
Wait, what?
I think Snowball might be the camper we've been looking for.
Snowball? But his fur's the wrong color.
Not all of it. He's got a brown spot on his back.
We're not the only ones after him. Better hurry. Snowball, stay off the ice!
What? Oh, no!
Cluebot, go!
Whoa! Thanks for the lift.
Snowball, you're the missing camper we've been looking for.
I am? But weren't you looking for someone with brown fur? Wait, my fur changes to brown for half the year. Oh, how did I forget that?
Your fur changes color.
Uh-huh. When the temperature changes, it causes some animals to change the color of their fur, like weasels, caribou,
And snowshoe hares. So they can blend in with the tundra in the winter and the forest in the spring.
Oh, wow! Is it spring already? I was wondering why I was so warm.
And look, the warmer temperature has made you even more brown.
Why are you following us?
Easy now. We're just looking for our friends.
I don't suppose you've seen the Mice Squad?
The Mice Squad?
The Mice Squad are here?
Oh, you've heard of them.
Heard of them? We're like their biggest fans.
Yeah! I still can't get over how amazing their new song is.
We haven't seen them, but let us know if you find them.
I'd love to get their autograph. Later, dudes.
Well, that was unexpected.
So the wolves haven't seen them either. I'm afraid this case has gone cold.
I'll say. The temperature's dropping. We gotta find Bill and Jill before they freeze out there.
All we have is their distress call.
Come get us. I repeat, come get us.
Maybe there's some clue we missed.
I don't think we missed anything. All I hear is that great beat in the background.
Well, it's good, yes, but I wouldn't call it great just yet. Listen, it's offbeat. Do you hear it?
You're right. Those drums are all messed up.
They might not be drums at all. Listen.
It almost sounds like... the musk oxen headbutting! Bill and Jill must have been near them.
So the musk oxen are mixed up in this. But how?
We'd better go back and ask them whether they like it or not. Come on!
Look, there they are.
Hey, musk oxen! Wait up!
Ugh. I thought we already warned you not to come back here. Whoops.
Uh-oh. We're standing on a frozen lake.
Get back to the shore!
babies!
This is bad, Sam. Musk oxen are not good swimmers. Come on!
We've got to get them back to shore.
Those ice floes. Maybe... if we...
On it, Kit. Cluebot, go! Wait for it. Wait for it. Now!
This way, everybody.
Just one more.
Whoa! There you go.
Our babies! You saved them!
Just doing our jobs, ma'am.
You might want to consider getting this little guy a haircut, though. He can barely see where he's going.
Not mine.
Did I say something wrong?
This strange-looking fella doesn't belong to any of us.
He doesn't.
Actually, I don't think this is a calf at all.
Is it a wolf in oxen's clothing?
This is no wolf.
It's the Mice Squad! They've been here all along! What in the bully world?
Phew! What a ride.
Everyone all right?
Yep, but where are we? That snowball rolled us way off track.
The blizzard's scrambling our maps.
So, the baby fox is lost, and now we are too.
We know the baby fox was heading towards the den, so we should try to head that way too.
Follow me, Kit. I've got a perfect sense of direction, remember? The den is that way. Or was it that way? Or maybe over those hills?
Admit it, Sam. We're lost. And that poor baby fox is still out there somewhere.
Hey, guys! Over here! I think I found some paw prints.
Huh? These definitely aren't Arctic fox prints. They're way too big.
So big that the blizzard hasn't fully covered them up with snow.
Hey, look at that. My feet are exactly the same size.
Wally, these aren't paw prints.
They're snow boot tracks.
Your
snow boot tracks.
Oh, hey, they are.
Based on the amount of snow on them, they're from before we rolled into the snowball. Come on, we can follow them back towards the den.
Hey, look, there's that stump that looks like a tugboat again.
Which means we're very close. I gotta say, Wally, your snow boots might have just saved the day.
They also have great arch support. Whoa! Watch out for that little hole there.
This hole looks fresh, like it was just dug.
And look, fresh baby fox prints. Better see where this leads.
Hey, we're back where we started.
Guess the baby fox was headed back to the den after all. She even dug a new entrance.
Sweetheart, is that you? You're back. Did you find her?
Well, it seemed like she came back on her own, but where is she?
Listen. Yeah. My baby.
Aww.
I'm so glad you're safe and that you found your way home.
Okay, we've got all the parts back. Now, where to start?
First, we connect this part with this other one, I think.
Or maybe this part goes under there?
Or maybe... We have no idea how to do this, do we?
Not a clue. And it's officially getting too cold, even for me. If only we had someone who was good at this type of thing.
Like the Kias!
Someone really clever,
Like the Kias!
who's good at putting things together.
Like the Kias!
Whiskers, that's it! The Kias! Wait, is that what you just said?
Yep. But if we ask them to help us, they'll just start playing with the parts again.
So maybe we need to trick the tricksters.
What's that?
Dunno! Let's find out!
This puzzle is so fun and challenging.
I know! Only someone really clever could put it all together.
Too bad we don't know anyone like that. Guess we have it all to ourselves.
A puzzle? That looks fun!
Yeah! We love puzzles! Maybe we could take a look at it?
I don't know if you're up to the task. It's really tricky.
We can do it!
Yeah! Can we try? Please, please, please!
Well...
I guess you could give it a shot.
Yeah!
Kias, let's get to it! Done!
That was fun! Yeah! Let's do another one!
Hey! Aren't these just those thingies we took apart earlier?
They sure are.
We tricked you into helping us put them back together again.
You tricked us?
That's hilarious!
You really got us!
Speaking of pranks, should we show them?
Show us what?
Try the horn!
Good one. Thanks for the upgrade.
Nice work, mammoths. Time to refill that power cell.
You'll need to hurry. The lights are starting to fade.
Come on. Can't quite reach.
It's no use. We need to get even higher up.
Aha! That icy slope. If we push Ron down it, he'll launch up high enough for us to reach the lights.
It's risky, but it may be our only chance. Grammy, can you give us one last push?
It's the least we can do, dearies. Mammoths! Into position!
Thanks for all your help, Grammy.
I'm so glad we got to meet you.
Me too. Now get home safely to your loved ones. And happy holidays.
You take the controls, I'll handle the power cell.
Okay, mammoths, let's do this.
1, 2, 3, push!
Get ready, kids. Here we go!
So swirly.
Get, hurry!
Power cell full!
Sam, hit the button!
Time jump initiated!
Did it work?
I reckon it did. They're on their way home! Hooray!